In this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube TV Unlimited Streams costs and what it has to offer. YouTube TV's Unlimited Streams is an add-on feature designed for households that need more flexibility with their streaming. While YouTube TV already allows up to 6 user profiles per account, the Unlimited Streams add-on removes the limit on simultaneous streams, making it perfect for larger families or businesses. As of now, this add-on costs $25 per month on top of your regular YouTube TV subscription, which starts at $72.99 per month. This means you'll be paying a total of $97.99 per month if you choose to include unlimited streams. It's important to note that this feature is only available to existing YouTube TV subscribers and cannot be purchased as a standalone service. With unlimited streams, each user can enjoy their own personalized profile and watch content simultaneously without any restrictions, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the cost and benefits of YouTube TV Unlimited Streams, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.